We're just a product of a chance and let's